Hi, I'm Anya Halamizer, Associate Editor at GreenBiz. I'm here with Mark Buckley, Executive Director of Environmental Affairs at Staples. Hi Mark, how are you?
Great, Anya, how are you today?
Excellent, welcome
Excellent.
to GreenBiz.
Thanks so much.
So, you've been at Staples for over 2 decades, 27 years?
Yes, 27 years.
Very long time, and you've been in your sustainability role for about 15 years?
15 years, yes.
What can you tell CSOs about and executives at companies about building a business with sustainability as a core pillar in mind?
Well, I think businesses have really gone through an evolution of change around sustainability over the last 15 years, and we see it from small businesses to medium-sized and large businesses that we serve every day, where this is increasingly important to them. And they're finding ways to incorporate this into really core business value for their business and for their customers.
What can you say about scaling environmental pillars and sustainability programs to other companies in your industry?
Sure. Well, I think scaling is interesting. I think there's a natural progression of how sustainability folks think about sustainability, first focusing on the four walls of their own operations first. But then as many companies start to think about their spheres of influence and think about them in the context of their customers, their supply chain, and the communities that they serve, it gets much, much larger.
So you have to look within first at your own organization and see what can be done.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And so your e-commerce business is third only to Amazon's. It's a very robust program. So how do you tackle sustainability within e-commerce and shipping?
Well, I think e-commerce and shipping, if we talk about just the logistics piece of it, we've made huge investments in our logistical infrastructure. We look at things like secondary packaging, particularly for outbound freight. We have made huge investments in a technology called right-size packaging, where we actually physically make a box to the size of the order that's being shipped to the customer. So we try and reduce the impact associated with not only the packaging, but improve cube efficiency and reduce cost.
And that also must reduce waste and environmental impact.
Absolutely, absolutely. As a matter of fact, our customers on our e-commerce platform and also our B2B platform look at excess packaging as probably the second highest negative score that we get. So anything that we can do to sort of reduce that amount of waste that they have to deal with is something that's certainly beneficial to us and certainly beneficial to the environment.
Absolutely, and to the customer as well.
Absolutely.
And is there any other program that you're working on right now that's exciting and new in the space?
Well, we're doing a lot of work these days, Anya, with a circular economy. So we have a partnership and have for many years with the Rochester Institute of Technology. We have a sustainable innovation lab there, and we're looking at how we can actually use our business to take and move materials back into production. So for example, we remanufacture ink and toner, cubicle systems, and so forth. So there's a whole range of products and services that we're looking to offer customers that really start to address this circular economy and ultimately certainly make us more profitable, more efficient, but reduce our impacts on the environment.
That's very interesting. Thank you so much for your time, Mark.
Thank you, Anya.